Warning, this video contains controversial facts. Proceed at your own risk. The Orion Motor Tech 80W CO2 Laser Engraver's got two laser tubes. And I want to warn you about this because we've got a special bonus at the end valued at over almost $300, way more than $300. So if you continue and you're looking at a laser, this video contains some facts that you're going to want to know about this Orion Motor Tech 80W CO2 Laser Engraver. So 80W dual head laser engraver, it's for businesses and done DIY, do it yourself, beaming with possibilities. Two 80W lasers, 160 watts total, can carve anything twice as fast. 24 by 40 inch. And dual laser heads, auto lift platform, advanced functions, convenient LCD screen, and then safe and easy operation. See, you got two heads right there. Automatic shutoff when the protector is open, that's a class 2. Safety, redesigned, software included. You can receive files via Ethernet or USB from other programs. You can use Corel, AutoCAD, Light Burn. Installs quickly, lasts years. This engraver comes with our strong 24/7 customer service, provides a worry-free purchase, has a debris collection system, dual head lasers, digital power supply, auto lifting platform, Ruida control panel, and a 24 by 40 working area. So again, great things you can print: transparent viewing window, supply, power supply, auto lifting platform, and collecting all your debris. Now, customers are really enjoying this. They're saying some good things about it. And this is the kind of projects they're doing on glass, wood, leather, acrylic, and more. There's advanced features, super large engraving area, digital supply, digital display, digital auto lift platform, and a control panel LED. Now warning, hold on, wait, don't miss out, because if you're deciding to buy one, check this out. The special bonus I told you about, it's right now. You can get some free stuff just as a thank you. It's super easy. All you need to do is click on the link down in the description, and then it'll take you to Amazon. Go to Amazon, put this in your cart, but don't buy it. Don't buy it. Just put it in your cart. Then come back to YouTube description down below. Leave a comment like, wow, laser, Orion, wood, money, whatever it might be, happiness, gratefulness. Put that down in the box below, and then after that, go ahead and claim your free gift by going a little farther. Click on the link, georgepauly.com/bonuses, and then bam, it's all yours. Now it's your turn. Go down there and click. Click right now. Click on the link. Thank you. Have a great day.